Hey everyone, it's Nicholas Wilton at Art to Life. I'm standing next to Alfred. This is our mannequin, and the thing's so scary. We have to put a bag on it, and I know it seems crazy, but I'll show you what this person looks like, and the idea here. I know, like, what does this got to do with art or whatever, but. It's got a t-shirt on mine, it's wearing some of my painted pants. And the whole point of this thing, this idea I had one night was, oh, this is so great. You know, I'll have a place in my studio where I'll paint the wall a color, and then I can put on shirts that like look good with those colors, right? Because we're, you know, you guys are visual, I'm visual. The problem is I can't see really how something looks unless I go stand over there. So I thought, well, I can use a mannequin, put a shirt on it, and then go stand over there and look at it. I wouldn't recommend this because it's a dumb idea, and immediately I realized it. But this guy is so scary. We come into the studio, and it's just like someone standing there, and so we have to put a bag on it. We do use it sometimes more for focusing and everything, and then the arm fell off, and but this was an idea. You know, these are the things you try to do that you think are going to be really great and turn out to be kind of a total waste. But here's the idea behind this, which I think is a good one, and I think is helpful. You know, so much of our art making is about making the art, and to get it out there, you need to share it. And there's resistance to doing that, right? There's resistance because we don't feel confident, or we make up reasons why it's hard to do, and you never get your camera's not available, or the lighting's bad. In order to sort of alleviate that, and it's sort of my thinking behind all of this, is to set up a place. Just have a place in your studio, a wall. You don't have to paint it a color, but just have it with a couple lights. Like, we use these amazing lights, and I'll share the link to them. They're really inexpensive, and they adjust. You know, you can have them brighter, less bright, and they kind of fill in nicely on artwork. They don't create shine, bright spots, and it just looks good. If you're taking a picture of your art or talking about your art, you just want to make it so you can just do it. You know, like you have your lunch and just go over there and in 5 minutes do the thing. Think about where in your studio you can just have those lights, have that little tripod set up, your camera fits on, have the cord so the phone won't run out of energy, you know, juice. It's just plugged in, so if you want to talk longer, you can. So that's kind of the idea here. So let me know, you know, in the comments, what you do to kind of make this process of photographing your art, you know, doing a reel of yourself. What are you doing that makes it helpful? Because this is something we're all involved in doing, and it's not talked about a lot. And there's all kinds of cool ways. This one not being one of them, but you can get one of these. They're not that expensive. Anyway. Let me know in the comments what you do. And we have an amazing podcast coming up this week on Wednesday. I'm talking to friend and confidence coach, Susie Moore, who defines confidence simply as the ability to be uncomfortable for a short, brief period of time, which I think is so beautiful, and it so relates to art making. But she's a dynamo, and she'll just fire you up to do more and be more. And I can't wait for you to hear and meet her. So click on the link below to subscribe to the podcast and check it out. And hope you guys have a great Sunday. We're going to have a great time in the studio. I hope you do too. See you soon. Okay, thanks. Hey everyone, if you found this helpful, I have a whole lot more to teach, share, and inspire you with every single week. So join the Art to Life YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Okay, let's do this. Awesome.